Huge racket by the Rajasthan Anti-Corruption Bureau. The cops are still counting the cash. I think 3.8 crores recovered in raids across Rajasthan. The raids have been going on since yesterday. The raids are largely related to the mining department from where this extortion racket was operating. The modus operandi was very simple. First, they would do a survey of the mines according to how profit-making or profitable they were. Then the mines department would issue an order asking for the closure of these mines. And then to have the mines reopened, a further amount of money, bribe money, would be demanded, which ran into crores. So when mine officials were accepting 2.2 crores, 55 lakhs, that's when they were caught red-handed. But what's really damaging for the government is that a senior IAS officer, the Principal Secretary Mines himself, has also been arrested in this racket. Raids by the Anti-Corruption Bureau at the house of senior IAS officer Ashok Singhvi. The 1983 batch officer was Principal Secretary Mines and also allegedly the mastermind behind a huge extortion racket operating in the mines department in Rajasthan. The modus operandi was simple. First, they would survey the most profit-making mines. These would then be ordered to close on some pretext or the other. Then the mine owners would approach a Sanjay Sethi, a middleman acting on the behest of Singhvi. Negotiations would then begin and a deal would be struck as to how much money had to be paid for mines to be reopened. It was in one such deal at 10 a.m. on Wednesday that the Anti-Corruption Bureau caught red-handed mine owner Sher Khan, who had come with 2 crores 55 lakhs to give Sethi. But the Anti-Corruption Bureau had been tapping this nexus for 2 months before they were caught.
ACB ने अपनी टेलीफोनिक को टैप करने की इजाज़त दी और उसके आधार पर इनके आपसी जो चर्चाएं हो रही थी उनको उन्होंने इकट्ठा करने का प्रयास किया। ये बहुत काफ़ी दिन लगे इसमें और लगने के बाद कल का दिन ऐसा आया था जिसमें पैसे का ट्रांजैक्शन होने का मैसेज कन्वे हुआ।
Sethi collected the money. Others like Additional Director Mines Pankaj Gehlot and Senior Mines Engineer Pushkar Ameta were roped in when required, as paperwork to close and open mines also went through them. They also received a share in the booty. Ameta had 14 bank accounts and was caught in a simultaneous raid being offered over 4 lakhs.
ये मेरी याददाश्त 35 साल तो मेरी सर्विस हो गई है। इतनी बड़ी राशि मेरी सर्विस के दौरान मैंने सुनी नहीं है।
The Rajasthan Anti-Corruption Bureau has blown the lid off one of the most brazen extortion rackets operating in Rajasthan. What's more embarrassing for the government is that a senior IAS officer is found to be involved. Somebody who served not once but twice in the mines department and also got many plum postings in his career. In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.